Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've spoken to any of you or have spoken to the channel or have made a video for the channel. But yeah, it's good to be back, and in fact this is something I wanted to share with you guys for quite some time now, but I just haven't had a chance to make a video. I hope everyone's staying warm, staying safe. If you have 2 seconds, hit the like button and the subscribe button. You guys are helping the channel grow. Something very cool happened last year sometime. De Beers Jewelers sent me a gift, and I didn't. Well, at that time my YouTube channel wasn't really up and running. I mean, it was, but it really wasn't. I mean, there wasn't much content on it. So I actually wanted to show you guys what De Beers sent me. So it was super cool. This actually came from London, and so to show you guys what they actually sent me. Okay, so they sent me. Okay, it came with a little De Beers. If I can focus here, okay, it's gonna focus much. A little De Beers pencil. And so it's a little De Beers pencil there. Super cool. Came with a little book on a little De Beers brochure. How to select your diamond. It goes to the 4 C's. A little bit about fancy color diamonds. It's a very cool artwork, might add. And ethics. So yeah, that's the De Beers book. I also came with a little mark card, and it says, "Welcome to De Beers." I don't know which type of camera is on. Welcome to De Beers, the home of diamonds since 1888. We are here to guide you every step of the way, from choosing a design to finding the correct size of your perfect diamond ring. Our experts select each diamond by eye to guarantee that you will own a diamond with perfectly aligned facets and angles, ensuring maximum sparkle. That's from there. And another cool thing they sent was now I have my own little De Beers ring size. So if any of you need to get a ring from me, rest assured that I've got, I mean, this is pretty much universal, so I know exactly your ring size if you guys are looking for to make a ring. And I haven't used this as yet, but I'm totally amped to use it in the coming months, because I do intend on expanding my jewelry line. So it says, our step-by-step guide that if the ring is for yourself, slide the ring size onto your finger until you find the best fit. It's best to do this in an even temperature, as being too hot or cold can affect the sizing. If the ring is for someone else, find a ring. Oh, that's a good tip. If the ring is for someone else, find a ring they already own that fits the relevant finger. Place the ring sizer on a white surface to provide contrast. Place the ring on the circle that appears closest in size to find the one where the inner edge of the ring aligns with the inner edge of the ring sizer. No blue should be showing. Then place the ring sizer on top of the ring until you no longer see the ring's edge, in order to double check the size is correct. Move the ring onto different size circles until you find the perfect fit. Remember to note down the size number or take a picture on your phone. Please note our ring size acts as a guide only, and it is not as accurate as being measured in person. We offer a complimentary resizing service at any of our stores within 30 days of purchase. This ring size is created from 100% environmentally sound material. The De Beers ring sizer. Whether you are purchasing a ring for yourself, gifting one as a surprise, or presenting it with a proposal, De Beers can help you select the correct size so it can be worn straight away. Yeah, guys. So that's what I got from De Beers. I was quite amped to get this. I was like super amped. I was like, oh my gosh, De Beers sent me something. De Beers sent me something. So hopefully this is the first of many parcels and many boxes and many unboxing experiences I have from De Beers. Just wanted to share that with you guys. I know a lot of you guys would be totally amped about it. You guys would be like, oh wow, that is kind of awesome actually, bruh. Yeah. So yeah, good to be back. Good to be back on the channel. Hope everyone's staying safe. Hope everyone's staying warm. I've got a few more videos that I'll be making in the coming few days. Yeah, I'll chat to you guys then. Be sure to like the video.